Here's a 2021 Honda Accord Sedan. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to King Volkswagen, the king of Volkswagen. We're conveniently located at 979 North Frederick Avenue in Gaithersburg. We look forward to serving you.